संसार समाया, उनका है आशीष पाया, प्रभु ने खुद से भी ऊंचा गुरु का।
Imagine you are stuck in any state of life where you have only two options. One of them can be so terrifying and risky. If you choose the wrong one, then it could demolish your future and life. And only one person can get you out of these type of situations. That person is your teacher. My respectable and honorable principal, teachers, parents and all dear students, good morning. It's me Hansraj here to deliver a speech on my beloved teachers on this occasion of Teachers Day. I would like to start my speech by thanking to all my beloved teachers for always guiding me and bestowing me with precious teachings, moral values, principles and discipline. Mr. President, it gives me immense pleasure to be here and to talk about the main personalities of the day, Teachers Day. Is celebrated on 5th October of every year with joy and embarrassment. I am eagerly looking forward to tell you that how and why are our teachers so special to us. A teacher isn't a king, but he creates kings. A teacher isn't a doctor, but he creates doctors. A teacher isn't an astronaut, but he creates astronaut. A teacher is capable of creating diamonds from stones. Mr. President, teaching is the profession from which comes all the other professions. Teaching is the greatest service to help others to realize their full potential. पहुंचा दिया फलक तक उस्ताद ने यहाँ से, पहुंचा दिया फलक तक उस्ताद ने यहाँ से, वाकुफ न था जरा भी इतने बड़े जहां से. Mr. President, teachers are arguably the most important members of our society. They give a student purpose, set them up for success, and always inspire them to do well and succeed in life. The children of today are the leaders of tomorrow, and teachers are that critical point which makes them ready for their future. Mr. President, teachers understand the minds of students and teach them accordingly. They are so encouraging and always try to show the correct way to find a solution for any problem. Our teachers teach us how to be good sportsmen when we fail and enlighten us on the importance of making mistakes and learning from them. Teachers shape the destiny of a student and are the reason behind the successful career of a student. He taught me first lesson with so much love. I didn't know anything. He taught me each and everything. Mr. President, teachers are the backbone of our country. Pakistan got freedom just because of teachers. Because Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and few other were great personalities. But their teachers found and created a personality in them. It means Pakistan got freedom with the help of teachers. अगर होते न उस्ताद तो Quaid-e-Azam न होता. अगर होते न उस्ताद तो Quaid-e-Azam न होता और अगर होता न Quaid-e-Azam तो Pakistan न होता. Mr. President, commonly most of the people think that only those people who teach us at the schools, centers, colleges are our teachers. Yes, obviously they are our teachers, but not only they. Because any person or anything which teaches us any lesson, that is our teacher. For example, life, which has number of lessons to teach us. Time, which teaches us lots of lessons. And similarly, nature, environment, our parents, etc. all are our teachers. Mr. President, teachers teach us the way of best living, behaving, talking, greetings, etc. They boost up the confidence level of a student. As that I am standing and speaking here, that is just because of my teachers who found that I can speak well, and then my teachers taught me the way of best speaking in front of public audience. And similarly, teachers have illustrated so many students who became great personalities. He shows us the way when we forget. He supports us when we fluctuate. Mr. President, in Sanskrit, there is a Guru mantra, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. It means that a guru or a teacher is the representative of Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, one who creates, imparts knowledge, and destroys the darkness that prevails within. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, touches a heart, and creates the world. I would like to thanking to you all, especially Sazan, for providing me with this golden opportunity to deliver a speech on my beloved teachers on this occasion of Teachers' Day. You are not only my teacher, but also you are an organizer, motivator, life coach, and instructor of each stage of my life. At last, I want to say I was nothing without you, and today anything what I am, that is just because of you. Happy Teachers' Day.